Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 43.5. So here it is, let's read the story. It's not me. It's not me. It was Kusing. I just don't like her. It's Gusing again. You see, it's really Gusing. That woman is really crazy mad dog. Everyone seems to getting angry on Gusing. It was my sister arranged for you to say this. Mengyan is asking a man. Said, yes. Well, definitely this man. No, how it's impossible. Of course not. Gusi and I are at odds. If I were exposed, Gusing would definitely eliminated me. Mengyan said to him, really? Well, she looks really doubting. Of course, this man, he is really lying. Sister, you're working too fast. I haven't checked the wound on your tongue. Show me. Are those photos really posted by my sister on the forum? Does my sister hate me? Why does my sister ignore me? Sister, you must be secretly watching, right? I come to my sister, but the message has been sent but was rejected on the other party. Why doesn't my sister want to see me? Mengyan said to herself. But right now, it seems that she has a plan. Well, what could it be? Mengyan, are you alright? We're still thinking about Kusing. She's too much. We want to help you. Don't bear it. Let us teach her a lesson. Everyone seems to be focusing on herself. If I don't promise, I will look down on you. She is my sister after all, and I don't want to hurt her. Mengyan said to them, please help me block her on the sports room. I had a good talk with her. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!